I'm Gia.
And today we are going to learn how to make a volcano out of baking soda, vinegar, food coloring, and a cup.
Which is also brought to you by
Wawa. Wawa. Get your cup of coffee for $1.
So we put.
First, we are going to put the vinegar into the cup.
The vinegar inside the cup. Oh, and if you want it to explode more, the vinegar has to be cold.
Okay, stop right there. Okay, and then we are going to drop the red food coloring in. If anything, put about 2 drops.
Oh, wait, think all the way. Dee. Okay.
Okay, so it will look like that. So
Like blood.
then we will need to stir it.
No, don't stir it. Guys, you don't have to stir it.
Then put.
Baking soda.
Wait, hold on.
Watch the explosion begin.
And come on, put more. And it will start to explode, but you need to put a lot. Put more. But you will need to put a lot of vinegar. Here it comes.
Hey, put some more baking soda. Oh no, it's going away. Put some more vinegar. Whoa, that goes fast.
Here we go. And there you go, your volcano. And after a while, it goes down. So once again, I'm Natasha.
I'm Gia. Gigi.
And this is how to make a volcano. Bye.